Good day, students. Today, we want to solve problem that involve pressure in a liquid. The first thing to do is to write down the parameters. Okay. Now let's consider the first condition that says, because we are considering pressure exerted by column of a liquid and also pressure exerted by column of mercury. A jar 40 meter deep is full of liquid of relative density 1.3. At what depth below the surface of the liquid is its pressure equal to the pressure exerted by column of 5 centimeter of mercury. Now let's consider pressure exerted by column of liquid, and let's take that one to be P1L. Okay, we have to look for the H1L of the liquid. The density of the liquid, means the first one of liquid is given to us. Relative density is given as 1.3. Relative density has no unit, but density has unit. Okay. Now let's take it as, since we know density to be rho, so that we don't get confused. Let's just put it as relative density. Okay. Now put it like this: rho RDL okay. Let's put it as rho RDL, relative density of the liquid, which is 1.3. Send it to gravity. G equals 10 meter per second squared, and your pressure of the liquid will be H1L, density of the liquid multiplied by 10 to gravity, which is H1L multiplied by relative density 1.3 and multiplied by 10. Let's go to the second one, which is pressure exerted by column of mercury. Let's put as P2M. Now you have the column, you have the H2M, that is height of the mercury, which is 5 centimeter. Convert it to meters, which is 0.05 meters. And relative density of the mercury is 13.6, and G equals 10 meter per second squared. Now you now say P2M equals H2M multiplied by relative density of the mercury multiplied by ascending to gravity. Now you have 0.05 multiplied by 13.6 multiplied by 10. Now P1L equals P2M. In that case, you equate them together. You have H1L multiplied by 1.3 multiplied by 10 equals what? 0.05 times 13.6 times 10 divided both sides by 1.3 times 10 about 1.3 times 10, cancel each other. You have H1L equals, when you multiply the numerator, you have 6.8 divided by 13 equals 0.523 meter. Now to convert it to centimeter, just multiply by 100. H1L equals 52.3 centimeter. Okay, because you have 100 centimeter, you have 100 centimeter make 1 meter. Now this one is centimeter in meter, that's 0.523 meter to x. You just multiply it, it will give you, now be 100 times 0.523. We have it in 52.3 centimeter. You can convert to centimeter by saying 100 centimeter make 1 meter. How many meter will make xx? In case you have to solve it in terms of centimeter. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.